Hello YouTube family, my name is Aditya and you are watching the DevOps Guy. In the previous video we have discussed about the cd, ls, touch, head and tail command. I will add the link in the description box, and today we will gonna cover the copy command. So obviously we all know what copy command do. It simply replicate the data from one file to another or from one directory to another. So now let's take example of the copy command, starting with the syntax. Copy cp is the syntax for the copy command. So if I want to copy one file to another, copy the content of one file to another file in the same location, how to do that? So for that, let's create a one file, with name as demo, add put some content into it. So pnb okay, and save quit. So now we have ls-l. We have one file name as demo. The content under the demo is cat, is pnb. Okay, now I'm going to copy this demo file into the same location with a different name. So the syntax is copy your file name or the new file name. So ls-l, see there, we have created a new file name as new demo, and let's check the content of this file, cat new demo. Okay, so the file is been copied from one, from within the same location. How about to copy your file from one location to another directory? So for that, you just need to do copy your file name and the path of the directory. So in my case I am copying this content into the desktop. Okay, so desktop, let's move to desktop, cd desktop, ls-l. See here, new demo, and if I do cat on the new demo pnb. Okay, so this is also done. How about if I want to copy the directories? These are the file, new demo, this demo is the file, but how about to copy the directory? So we use the same thing, same syntax, but additionally it required -r as in recursive, because a directory contain number of files in it. So for that I have already created two directories here. If you see dir1 and dir2. So let's check the content. So first check the data into the directory one, cd dir, uh, cd dir1, my bad, dir1 ls. Under this we have this content, file1, file2, file3. Now I want to move all of these data into the dir2. Okay, so simply just do copy command dir1 data, first -r, use -r, copy -r dir1 to dir2, from directory 1 to directory 2. Okay, so let's move to directory 2. Let's check what's inside directory 2. See, these are the existing file of the directory 2, and we are having dir1 also. So cat, no, cd dir1 cat, not cat, ls-l, see file1, file2, file3 under dir, and dir is under directory 2. So this is also complete. Hi, always remember to use -r in a case of directory, so your data inside the directory will also be copied. And The last one is about the interactive. So by default, what happen in the copy command, it override the existing data. It not just append, it override. For example, uh, we are having this demo file, na? Demo. We are having this demo file. The content is PNB. But now, if I want to copy this demo file into the new demo, let's make another to make it easy. Vim HDFC. Let's create a new file HDFC. HDFC is a bank. Okay, I have one file name as demo. Under the demo, we have the data PNB, and we have one another file name HDFC, and under the HDFC we have the data HDFC is a bank. Okay, ls-l. Now, if I copy this HDFC to demo, it will replace the data of demo. See, copy HDFC to demo. Now check get demo, data is changed. So in order to prevent this, precautionary we use -i. -i will ask you, see, it's asking override demo. So if you are comfortable with your data to be override, then you will press yes. Otherwise, pass no. Okay. So in my case, we have already override the content, so I am passing it yes. But in a case, if you guys don't want to overwrite your data, make it as no. Otherwise, your data will be gone. Okay.